You can use your imagination. You better use your imagination.
DA got that dope.
Hey you guys, what's up? It's your girl Dollyroman, and yes, y'all feeling this hair, honey? Yes, let's get into it. So as y'all know, it's a hot girl summer, period. I don't want to hear nothing about a hot boy summer. Y'all not winning. Whatever type of shit is on y'all mind, whatever. Anywho, like I said, it's a hot girl summer, so of course I had to come out with a hot girl color. So anybody who knows me, deep down inside, you guys know I've been wanting yellow hair for a while. Like, yellow has been on the top of my list. So when I don't know like what came to me, but to me, like when I just decided to do yellow, like yellow is different, it's very bold, and it's just perfect. It's the summertime, why not? So this hair is longer than what it was. Okay, so I just want to talk about a few things before I jump into the tutorial. So anyway, this wig is a lace frontal wig from AliPearl Hair. AliPearl Hair is the only place that I purchase hair from, period. Like nowhere else. I've been buying their hair strictly for 2 years straight. I love them. Their quality is amazing, and no, they are not paying me, but I've never had no problems with their hair, their closures, nothing. Like the only, well, I haven't had any problem with their hair, their closures, nothing. And you can quote me. Every hair that you've seen on this channel from July 2017 until July 2019 has been AliPearl Hair. Anywho, this wig though, this wig is a 22-inch lace frontal wig. So let me stand up so you guys can see. So you're probably wondering how this is. I purchased a bundle of 30-inch hair from UniqueMe Hair Extensions. Let's get it right, UniqueMe Hair Extensions. I put about, I want to say 4 to 5 individual tracks in between this wig to give it longer length, because I said we're gonna do a hot girl summer, honey. We gotta be a hot girl and go all the way long. So this company is ran by a friend of mine from high school. Her name is Cheyenne. Most of the proceeds, when you buy hair from her, proceeds of it go towards cancer patients. So that was an amazing cause, and it's really hard to find people who sell quality 613 hair. Let me tell you something about this hair. I ordered this hair on a Saturday. It got to me by a Monday. I cannot make this up. It got to me on a Monday. I couldn't believe myself. I almost had a heart attack. Okay, this hair is everything. It blended in perfect with this wig. So this is what it looked like. Like I said, I used like about 4 to 5 tracks of this in this wig individually, and as you guys can see, I'm running my hands through there. No tangling, no shedding. I cannot make this up. This hair is bomb, honey. Like, and the one thing I loved about this hair is that it matched the 613 of this blonde wig exactly. Like, sometimes you get 613 that's a little too white, sometimes you get some that's really yellow, but this was the perfect 613 for this wig. So yeah, so if you guys want to know how I colored this wig, how I sewed these tracks and everything, make sure you stay tuned. As always, comment, rate, subscribe, and if you want to see this bomb, let's get into this bomb makeup look, sis, make sure you check this tutorial before this. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye. So we're just jumping right into the tutorial. So basically, I'm just showing you guys what I'm starting off with. I'm starting off with the wig in the 30-inch bundle, and I want to show you guys the needles I got from Sally's. And I tried to get blonde thread, but they did not have any, so I ended up having to use this brown thread and hair cutting scissors. Quickly here, I just wanted to show you guys what the wig looked like before I sew the tracks in between. So in this clip here, I'm basically showing you guys how I measured the track across the wig. So basically in this wig, there were a lot of spots where the wig was, well, not per se the wig, but you know, the tracks in the wig were sewn very close together, and there were some spots where the tracks weren't. So I decided to place all of the longer bundles in the places where they weren't so close together, because that was going to give me the length that I want. So this wig was already a 150 density wig. I'm not for sure if they have a 130 density wig. The last wig I had, which was the bob wig, was also 150 density. It made this wig thicker. I love the thickness of it. I believe though, for me to have like wear it straight, I'm going to get a straightening comb, which I meant to get in this video. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys what I do to you know, get started. So as you guys can see, I'm turning the wig to the right because it's easier. I don't know if it's because I'm right-handed, but it was easier for me to sew from the right side to the left side and to the left to the right. I don't know why. I'm not an expert wig maker. I don't make wigs at all or anything like that. But it was just easier for me that way. And also, my stitches aren't going to be perfect, as I'll show you guys, but it just was good enough for me to get those tracks in there to get the additional length that I wanted.
got that dope.
So altogether, I just want to say I have so much respect for people who take time out of their day and make units, because this is very tedious. I can only imagine how tedious it is to make an actual unit. And this is just the stitches, guys. That's what I'm showing you. So after only sewing in about 4 to 5 tracks, this is the length of the wig now, and it's just long and luxurious. I love it. So I worked on this wig for 2 days, and now I'm going in to show you guys what colors I used. I used the Ion Brights Lemon and Blood Orange. As you guys can see, this is what they both look like in the bowls. So before I even got started dyeing, I sprayed my lace with some Got2b freeze spray so that I did not stain my lace. My lace had already got stained prior because my wig had, as you guys can see, got all the colors from when I dyed my wig pink, which I should have did the same thing when I did my pink wig, but it just, you know, you just do what you want to do. So briefly in this clip, I'm just showing you guys that I part my wigs into 4 sections to dye it. Well, this time I parted it in 4 wigs. So I parted one on the left side, one on the right side of the lace frontal, and then I did one of the back and one of the center. I just put them into scrunchies, and that's how I ended up dyeing my wig. I had to stretch the dye because I started running out the dye because the ion dyes have such a thick consistency. So y'all have seen people dye wigs 1,000 times, weave 1,000 damn times on YouTube. So I'm speeding up through this clip so you guys can just see me applying color. Ignore my dad in the background because he just wanted to play so much when I was recording this video and get all up in my video. He's so annoying. God. Always remember to comb your color through just to make sure that it gets on every piece that you're dyeing. One thing that I am is a big perfectionist, and even though I did comb my color through, it didn't touch some pieces of my wig, so I have to go back in eventually and touch them up. But the wig turned out pretty fine altogether. So I just briefly want to show you guys what the yellow looks like, how freaking bright it is. Oh my god, I couldn't believe this yellow was so bright and so saturated. That's just the back. I didn't even start on the lace frontal yet. As you guys see, I only had 2 boxes of dye. What I should have done from the beginning was mix conditioner in, so that it not necessarily would have made the color more pastel, but it would have made me have more dye, which I ended up doing with the last 3 boxes that I had. So I contemplated at first, did I really want to do the patches first, but I figured that it wouldn't really work out, so I decided to do the patches last. So I do the patches with the blood orange color in the front, and I was really surprised at how this orange took. I never used an orange from Ion before. I've used gray, I've used mint green. I shouldn't have been surprised how good the color was going to turn out, because their dyes are really awesome. So I was really excited about how that turned, and I just wrapped all the hair in plastic wrap to keep the moisture in. So this is what the wig looks like, freshly washed and everything. As per usual, I use my color sealer from Ion Beauty to seal all that color in. So that's going to help with my hair not really, you know, the color not coming out so much, being that it's a semi-permanent. Here's a view of the wig as I blow dry it. I didn't blow dry completely because I still wanted to air dry, but this is exactly what it looks like. It's so beautiful. It's so freaking long, and the color is perfect. So this time I decided to do something a little different for you guys. So I'm showing a little bit of the installation process. As you guys know, my friend Alexis, whose name is also here on YouTube, Internally Flawless, does my hair. She also did my nails this time as well. So make sure you guys head over to her and book for hair, nail, makeup, and lash services. So I'm just showing you guys how she was cutting the lace of the wig. She decided to use a razor to cut it. I've seen a lot of different people, including Makeup Tiffany J, do this. So she's just going in with the razor and cutting the lace like that. So as you guys can see, we are using the ball cap method today for this install. We used the ball cap method the last time when we did my bob for my birthday. So yeah, I really like the ball cap method because it really gives you the illusion. But I wanted to just jump on here and say I did not use Got2b glue this time for my wig. I used a new product, which is the ORS gel that they came out with, which is basically for lace frontal. I have the spray as well. I didn't use the spray, but I will use it when it's time for me to touch my wig up.
DA got that dope.
Go bitch, go bestie. Can't fuck with these hoes cause they messy. Go bitch, go bestie. Can't fuck with these hoes cause they messy. Go bestie. Then my motherfucking best friend. Go bestie. Then my motherfucking best friend. Go bestie. Then my motherfucking best friend. Then my what? Then my motherfucking best friend.
Hey, shawty, she gon' ride, she gon' die for me. Yeah, I know all my niggas, they gon' slide for me. I be going up when you going down on me.
Overall, this is how the wig turned out, and I freaking love it. I love the way she installed it. Everything about it was perfect. The length was perfect. It's exactly what I wanted when I said I wanted to do yellow hair. I've been wanting yellow hair for a while. I just never knew the perfect time to choose to want yellow hair. So yeah, I just love how it came out all together. So I honestly hope you guys love this hair as much as I do. I hope you guys love the tutorial. I'm trying to get back into doing more coloring tutorials. I got another color coming real soon. I really freaking love how this yellow hair turns out. If you would like to see more coloring videos, make sure you thumbs this video up and leave a comment. As always, comment, rate, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Bye.
imagination. You better use your